So for today's video, I will be testing a lot of new makeup products that I received in this past 2 months, because as I mentioned in a previous video, I did not film in the past 2 months, so yeah, I accumulated quite a lot of beauty products. For today's video, I do have a couple of products from TooFaced that I'll be trying, like the Pretty Rich palette, Diamond Light highlighters, lip gloss, and also I will be testing the Ultra HD concealer from MakeupForever, which I'm really excited about because I usually like MakeupForever's base products. So I will start with the concealer because I will apply this on my eyelids. Of course, my final review, I will talk about this concealer later in some other videos, you know, because I need to wear it for a couple of days, but this is just like a first impression, and this eye I will apply with my finger. So far it's really smooth. You don't get a lot of coverage with this one, and it kind of dries faster as well. Now, a few things that I don't like about this palette: it's super bulky, and I think this packaging is necessary because, I mean, look, here is the palette and this is just like the lid, so a lot of space, and I don't feel like it looks so nice anyways, or maybe it's just not, you know, my taste. It's like this, but it's very bulky and it's just unnecessary to have so much packaging. I appreciate when a palette is really compact, so I don't like the packaging of this one. You have a really nice selection of colors. Nothing too unique in my opinion, just a few neutral matte ones, a couple of shimmery ones, and this really chunky glittery ones. Now, I haven't tried these yet, but let me just swatch. They have very odd consistency. I guess you should just use this maybe with a primer. Reminds me of the Huda Beauty glittery eyeshadows from her new nude palette. Now, they do swatch really nicely. This one is the one that I don't feel it. I don't feel it. The other ones are really pretty, so I would try to test this today. So now I will take a little bit of this shade, this creamy one. It has more like a neutrally yellow undertone, and I do prefer these shades. The matte eyeshadows from TooFaced have a lovely texture, so this works the same in my opinion, even when I swatch it. I'm taking this shade, like a medium brown, and I will just apply this in the crease, just, you know, the standard method of application. And I'll try to blend it here very well. Has a nice color payoff so far, and it's nothing special. I mean, it's just medium brown eyeshadow. I have probably 5 already or 6 in my makeup collection. Now for the drama, I will apply this glittery shade on my lid, and I will start with a brush because, as I can see, it applies nicely with a brush too, so that's good. Usually these shades apply better with a finger, or just don't apply at all with a brush, but this one, yeah, you can see like a sheer application of the glitter. Now with my finger, very intense. I'm taking this shade for a bit of dimension, darker, kind of warm brown. I like this kind of shade. Now I'll apply this just a little bit in here to darken slightly the outer V. Now I will be using also a new product from me, the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, the H2O proof eyeliner pen, because I was sent a couple of products from e.l.f. and I will include those in a drugstore, Get Ready With Me or Makeup Tutorial, but since this is new, I decided to include it here. It's like, so it has a felt tip applicator. I'm not a massive fan of felt tip applicators, but let's see how this applies. So this is one eye done. It's actually very black formula, so yeah, I am, you know, impressed. I don't like the applicator, but the formula is nice and it applies beautifully. It's not super liquidy. It also has like a semi-matte finish. As for the mascara, I will be trying this, which I'm really excited about, the Eyeko Sport mascara, and a very old applicator. And I feel like it has some kind of like tiny fibers, so it will volumize. Look at the brush, so odd. Now before I do that, I will use my e.l.f. lash curler because I've been really loving this. As I said, I received the e.l.f. products probably like a month ago or more than a month ago, and I immediately opened the box of this. And it's good. So I guess it's volumizing. No, the brush is very odd. I don't know how to apply this mascara actually. Yeah, I can see the volumizing effect. But it's still defined, you know, not super clumpy how all those mascaras do. But I have this small kit from Cabo FX. You can get this at Space & K, and it was on sale for like, I don't know, £12. So I decided to just get it because it's a very good deal. I wanted to try some cosmetics products, and especially these ones. So yeah, let's see. I will test this primer today, which I heard so many things about, so many good things, because it contains salicylic acid and it's their mattifying primer. A lot of people also say that this keeps the blemishes away, because usually if I, for example, test a new foundation, or my foundation has been on my face for a long time, for like an entire day, I can have a very bad looking skin the next day and I can get some blemishes. Not like real blemishes, but you know, the ones that are kind of underneath your skin and just little bumps here and there. Now applying again my MakeupForever concealer underneath my eyes. For some reason I like applying my concealer first right now. And I apply quite a lot in the beginning because this has a very thin texture. And then I kind of take off the excess with my beauty blender. As my foundation, I actually mix two products. I mix my Olay Regenerist whip with my Nars Radiant Longwear foundation, half and half, and this makes the foundation a bit more sheer. And it just provides that extra moisture that I need. So I just really like to mix those two. Now this shade is a bit lighter for me right now, but everything will be okay because I'll use bronzer and all that. Translucent powder, my Lower Mercier. And I will just set this concealer because I can see that this settles into my wrinkles here underneath my eyes. So let's just set this. By the way, I forgot to mention that I'm also doing a giveaway in this video, and you can win these 3 products. These 3. So a brush for MakeupForever, Diamond Light powder, and the TooFaced this is a lip gloss. And all you have to do is to leave let's say a yellow heart emoji in the comment section. Comment something and leave a yellow heart emoji. Then I will randomly select one winner in like a week time, and I will contact you. I will let you know that you won, and yeah. Now let's use my bronzer, my Girlacktik bronzer in Cabo. And I'm using this Zoeva brush because it's super precise. And I prefer my bronzer slash contour to be precise anyway. And now as a blush, my Vaso blush in Plum Rose from Physicians Formula. And I will just apply a little bit of this apples. This is quite neutral as well, so it smells so nice. All the time, like, smell it. So as a highlighter, the TooFaced Fancy Pink Diamond highlighter, and it has like a marble effect. You can see pink, orange, a bit of yellow, so let's see how this will look. It's actually not very intense. To finish up with my eyes, I will use the same medium brush with a Zoeva 231 brush. Just applying this all over the lower lash line. Applying some mascara. Now for my eyebrows, what I've been doing lately, well, you can see I'm trying to grow the hair from my eyebrows, and so far it's growing nicely. I'm using the brow gel from Eyeko. It is a tinted one, and it has like a, I don't think that they have different colors, it's just like a light brown with some flecks of shimmer in it, which looks really natural and really good. So this color is quite universal, will work for a lot of hair colors because it's just like a hint of brown, and it's also really nice at fixing the hair. The last thing I should do, just apply a lip product. So I'll be using this lip gloss. This is in the color Sunset Crush, and it smells nice. And this is the makeup look done. Now, I really like the lip gloss. I still prefer my lip glosses to just be more on the clear side, not really to contain any kind of shimmer, or even if they contain shimmer, should be not as much as this one. I still like it though. It's really reflective in artificial light. I'm not sure about this palette. And the color selection is also, it's kind of odd now that I'm looking at it. So I am not sure about this one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you tried any of these products, if you tried the Pretty Rich palette from TooFaced, or the Salicylic Acid Primer. And I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye!